In each lesson of this series, you will master a common questions for Arabic learners, and then learn how to answer it like a native. You will learn how these key phrases work by breaking them down into each component. Then through repetition and new vocabulary, you will expand your understanding of the question, its answers, and any variations. So let's start. In this lesson, you'll learn how to respond to the common question, how old are you? In Arabic this is
كم عمرك كم عمرك كم عمرك كم عمرك.
Let's break it down from the beginning. The first word
كم كم
means how much in English.
عمر عمر
Means age.
ዐumruka ዐumruka
Means your age. Is used for male.
ዐumruki ዐumruki
Means your age. Is used for female. Note that the word age is simply
عمر
and the different suffixes add the meaning of your. Listen to the entire question and repeat. If you are asking a male person, you would say
كم عمرك
Listen again and repeat.
كم عمرك كم عمرك.
Or, if you are asking a female person, you would say
كم عمرك
Please repeat.
كم عمرك كم عمرك.
Here's how to respond to the question, how old you are in Arabic. You can say
عمري
plus number plus
سنة
or.
عاما.
So let's start.
عمري عمري
Means my age.
عاما عاما
Means year.
سنة سنة
Means year. Here's how to respond to the common question how old you are in Arabic. For example, if the old is 24, you would say
عمري 24 سنة.
24
means 24.
عمري 24 سنة.
Please repeat.
عمري 24 سنة.
Or you can say
عمري 24 عاما.
Listen again and repeat.
عمري 24 عاما.
I'm 24 years old. Another example, if the old is 30.
عمري 30 سنة. 30
means 30.
عمري 30 سنة.
Try to speak aloud as often as possible.
عمري 30 سنة.
Or you can say
عمري 30 عاما.
Please repeat.
عمري 30 عاما.
I'm 30 years old.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.
Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.